Guys, may ibon. May dalawa pa nga yung ibon kaso nawala na siya. So, kaya habang tinitigan natin itong ibon na to, I don't know what's going on, but I think these people that around, anong klaseng ibon to? Yeah, they out, where usually I know, where I don't like, it's disrespectful, and the living that I do, it's affecting. It's like it's taking for, how do I, yeah, tinititigan ko pala itong ibon. Ano ba itong ibon na to? So shout out pala to sa asong to, out of my head, that I could have and be there, you know. You know what I mean. So yeah, who would do not be happy? We once, you know, happy that asa na yung ibon, you know, because I got really the game. I mean, yeah. Hello. Ang daming ibon niya. Oh my god, sana nakita niyo siya. Oh my god, dapat pala ganun yun. So yeah, I don't believe, you know, but then how do I believe in here, where if maturity in need, usually I do, where have to, hindi sila yung mangunguha, ako taken. As I think this is good kasi that's mature. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, bagong ibon to Ala! Oh my god. Na ganyan lang. Ala! Oh my god, talang ibon siya. Oh my god, ganyan lang. We want to record on it. May one day, you know, just like this, you know, baka wala kayong ganyan. We don't expect. So, you know, we got the scene, memories of Tuluktu, where we got far off. Moratsi. I think, you know what I complaining here, the out of normal and then yeah, I don't believe in this. Ganito lang ako. You know what printing in here? Aww. Oh my god, anong ibon to? What kind of bird are you? Wala kayong ganito, diba? So yeah, never ako nagka-interest dito sa ibon na to, ngayon lang. Oh my god. So never ako nagka-interest, may, you know, but yeah, never to look to it, appreciating, you know, I'm right there. Yeah. Hello. I think there's no complaining here. There's no problem. Yeah. Ang laki naman ang tok mo na yun, dalawa. Malaki siya. Looks beautiful and big. Dalawa siya. Hello! Tawagin niya natin yung ibon na dahil. Aww. What kind of bird are you? Hello! Ang daming ibon ang kanalawasan. Hello! Ay, ganyan lang. Kasi, yeah, never interest. You know, and being right in here. So, yung sa inyo, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sa inyo. And, yeah. Yeah. Yung ano na. You know what I mean? Van. Hello! Oh my my God, there's a lot of bird right. Oh my God. Where are you? Are you not coming back? Wala, ang daming ibon niya, guys. Nakikita niyo ba? There's a lot of bird. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Ang ibon kaya yan? Ooh. Ha! Woo! Wala, ang daming ibon niya sa taas. Ang dami. Asan na siya? Where are you? Yeah, it's a lot of bird. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo, no? So, sana nakikita niyo siya. So, yeah. Yeah. Hello! 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 Oh my God, that's crazy. Hello! 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 Yun lang, tama na. Wala na yung ipon dyan siya, guys. Imbis na.